Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today I want to talk about Bitcoin's current price and see if there are potential gains or maybe opportunities elsewhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below your favorite altcoin. So let's start off with the price. Bitcoin is above 34,000 at the time of this recording, and it has hit 42,000 around 20 days ago. So there are some percentages lost during that time. However, I feel like right now Bitcoin is cooling off and it is trading a bit sideways. If you were here back in December of 2017, you would see some similarities between now and back then. So back in 2017, Bitcoin shot up like crazy and then traded sideways for a bit. It did cool off like what we're seeing right now. This allowed the altcoins to pump and people took whatever profits that they had in Bitcoin and then just started dumping it into the altcoins. So this is what we call alt season. So personally, I don't like altcoins that much. However, if there are opportunities to buy and hold temporarily the altcoins and gain massive profits, I'm okay with doing that as long as I can go back and buy more Bitcoin with it. There are a few altcoins that I believe can give a better rate of return right now, and one being Ethereum, which I bought at $740, and at the time of this recording it is $1,430, and I'm going to continue to hold until it hits my price target of around 2.5K. The reason being, Ethereum's transaction volumes have surpassed that of Bitcoin, and Ethereum's ratio to Bitcoin has been severely skewed only because of Bitcoin's massive pump that we recently seen. And history does show that the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio does tend to get back to normal over time, and right now we're just waiting for Ethereum to kind of catch back up to that specific price target. We even got Tyler Winklevoss tweeting out in support of this theory as well. So I have made around 89% profit on my most recent Ethereum trade, which is great, but I feel like 2.5K is a conservative target. And you got a lot of people talking about how Ethereum can hit 8 to 10K, but I feel like that's very, very optimistic. I feel like my target of 2.5K is conservative and more realistic. Just remember that Ethereum doesn't have a hard cap to the amount of coins in circulation like Bitcoin has. So there's almost no way that Ethereum will ever hit a price target close to that of Bitcoin. So 8 to 10K is very, very unrealistic right now. And it's all about risk tolerance. For me, it's not about buying and holding Ethereum until it hits 10 to 20K. It's more so of buying Ethereum right now only to buy Bitcoin later on. So I'm only holding it temporarily. There are many other altcoins as well that can have massive upsides in this upcoming bull market or alt season. So I'm just going to put a few on the screen that I feel like can give better gains. However, just know that these coins technically have way more risk than Bitcoin and Ethereum. And just remember that in 2017, the market did dump heavily on crypto. So just be careful how long you plan on holding these altcoins. You'd rather be dumped on while holding Bitcoin than holding an altcoin that will almost never survive the next bear market. All right, so that's all I have for today. Just wanted to put out what I'm currently doing while keeping the video short and sweet. Let me know in the comment section what altcoins you want me to talk about before the alt season actually starts. And don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.